Climbing carabiners are essential gear for safety and performance in every adventure. With durable construction, lightweight design, and easy locking mechanisms, they offer both reliability and convenience. These carabiners are designed to withstand extreme conditions, ensuring a secure hold during your climbs. Perfect for experienced climbers or beginners, they enhance your climbing experience. In this video, we recommend the 7 best climbing carabiners, based on quality, durability, price, and more. Check the description for purchase links to easily find the right choice for you. Number 7. FresKaro Autolocking Climbing Carabiner Clips. The FresKaro UIAA certified 25 knots auto-locking climbing carabiner clips are a must-have for climbers and adventurers. With a strong 25 knots, 5,621 pounds, major axis strength, these carabiners ensure your safety during demanding activities like rock climbing, rappelling, and mountaineering. The twist lock mechanism allows for quick, seamless operation with one hand, automatically relocking when pressure is released. Its D-shaped design provides maximum strength while minimizing weight, weighing just 2.01 ounces per carabiner. The deep basket design reduces fumbling, and the keylock nose prevents snagging for added convenience. This ultra-lightweight carabiner is easy to handle and perfect for various outdoor activities, including tree climbing, hiking, and even holding big adult dogs. The smooth locking and gate surface ensure a comfortable, blister-free experience. This set of 3 carabiners offers reliability and performance whether you're at the climbing gym or out exploring the great outdoors. Number 6. B-Mardi Carabiner Clips. The B-Mardi Carabiner clips are made from high-quality aerospace aluminum 7075, ensuring both strength and lightweight performance. These heavy-duty carabiners have a minimum breaking strength of 12 knots, 2,697 pounds, making them perfect for various outdoor activities such as camping, hiking, and hammock use. The manual screw lock mechanism helps reduce the chance of open gate failure, providing additional security for everyday use. With a palm-sized design, these compact carabiners are portable and versatile, suitable for use with keychains, dog leashes, backpacks, and more. Each carabiner weighs just 1.02 ounces, 29 grams, offering durability without adding unnecessary weight. The B-Mardi carabiners are rust-free and built to withstand tough conditions, making them ideal for outdoor adventures. Backed by a 24-month warranty, B-Mardi ensures customer satisfaction with lifetime-friendly service and quick replacements for any quality issues. Number 5. Favofit Heavy-Duty Locking Climbing Carabiner. The Favofit Heavy-Duty Locking Carabiner is a UIAA-certified, high-performance clip, ideal for rock climbers, arborists, and outdoor enthusiasts. With an impressive 25 knots, 5,620 pounds, strength, it ensures safety during demanding activities like climbing, rappelling, and hunting. Crafted from aircraft-grade aluminum, this carabiner is lightweight, durable, and rust-proof, offering reliable performance in any environment. The twist lock mechanism allows for smooth, one-handed operation, with an intuitive release-to-lock function for fast, secure connections. Measuring 3.9 inch in size, it provides a strong grip and versatility for various applications, including setting up hammocks, securing large dogs, or lifting gym equipment. Built to endure tough conditions, this carabiner is designed to withstand rain, humidity, and extreme temperatures, making it a long-lasting, dependable tool for any adventure. Number 4. L-Rover Carabiner Clips. The L-Rover Carabiner is a lightweight and durable clip made from high-quality aircraft-grade aluminum, ensuring long-lasting performance. Weighing only 0.7 ounces, 20 grams, it features a compact, palm-sized design that makes it easy to carry and use in various situations. Perfect for everyday applications like camping, hiking, and attaching to keychains, this carabiner is also great for hanging hammocks, backpacks, handbags, or even used as a handle or hanger. The quick flip spring gate allows for single-handed operation, making setup fast and simple. The wire gate design helps reduce gate lash, and the D-shaped construction ensures a strong hold with a large gate opening. Although not suitable for climbing, this carabiner is an essential tool for travelers, outdoor enthusiasts, and anyone looking for a reliable clip for everyday life. With lifetime customer support, you can trust the quality and convenience of this practical carabiner. Number 3. Black Diamond Hotforge Screwgate Locking Carabiner. The Black Diamond Hotforge Screwgate Locking Carabiner 3-pack is a reliable choice for rock climbing, mountaineering, and outdoor adventures. Crafted by Utah-based Black Diamond, it features Hotforge construction for reduced weight without sacrificing strength. Its Screwgate sleeve ensures secure locking, while the keylock nose design prevents snagging during clipping and unclipping. The functional shape offers a solid grip, making it easy to handle with gloves or in wet conditions. It also accommodates a clove hitch, adding to its versatility on the wall or in camp setups. Number 2. Vorx 12 Knots Aluminum Carabiner Clip. The AINIKEY Climbing Carabiner clips offer professional-grade strength and performance for serious outdoor and vertical activities. Made from aircraft-grade 7075 aluminum alloy, they deliver high durability while remaining lightweight and easy to carry. With an auto-locking twist lock design, you can secure or release the carabiner with just one hand, making operation fast and efficient. The D-shaped structure ensures reliable connection to harnesses and gear, keeping forces aligned along the major axis for maximum safety. With an impressive weight capacity of up to 25 knots, these clips are ideal for climbing, rappelling, rescue, swing, and more. Tough, elegant, and easy to handle, they're built to perform under pressure. Number 1. BEIFENG 25 Knots Auto-Locking Carabiner. The BEIFENG 25 Knots Auto-Locking Carabiner is crafted from aviation-grade aluminum, making it both lightweight and strong. With a lateral load of 7 knots and a longitudinal strength of 25 knots, 5,621 pounds, it ensures reliability for various outdoor activities like rock climbing, rappelling, and hunting. Weighing only 2.1 ounces, this D-shaped carabiner is designed for one-handed operation, allowing easy use with a twist lock mechanism. Its black coating prevents sunlight reflection, keeping your attention focused during outdoor adventures. UIAA certified, this carabiner guarantees safety and quality. Plus, BEIFENG offers a 30-day return policy, ensuring customer satisfaction. We can't mention the price, because it is constantly changing. All these links are available in the description box. Don't forget to check the update price. We will be back with more videos soon.